Sometimes we see people when they're less well, and when we see them, support them on the journey, and when we see them again when they're better, it's so rewarding knowing that, you know what, you've actually helped one person. It's about going that extra mile for a patient. My name is Lara. I'm a clinical pharmacist in general practice as part of the primary care network. I do medicines related queries, so quite often I'll get things like this medication's out of stock or there's a problem with this medication. So I spend my time doing quite a few queries that the doctors might have sent to me or the admin team might have sent to me. I spend also my time doing discharge summaries. So these are patients that have been in hospital. So of course the medication has changed. So it's important that we make sure that we get the medications right for them. And then also doing audits, because you need to also check that the systems in place are working. And if they're not working, is picking up with these patients, seeing if there's any problems, any issues, and making sure that they all do all their blood tests and all their drug monitoring. For me, it's about changing people's lives. For example, one thing that sticks out to me is the prescribing cascade, where you prescribe someone a medication. As part of the side effects, if you don't realize it's a side effect of that medication, you give them something else. Rather than going to drug A, B, C, why don't we just stop and change drug A and try something else? So rather than them being on 3 medications, we'll probably just keep them on 1. My own journey through Pharmacist enabled me to be more compassionate. And it's also enabled me to have that gratitude mindset. You just feel like there's so much to learn and you're doing a lot, making a difference to people's lives. I'd say it's a very rewarding and exciting career. Pharmacy lets me put my mind into things because there's so many things that you can do now. I just need to pick what I want and the world's my oyster, really.